Facing a black screen with just a cursor on your Windows 10 or 11 PC can be quite a challenge. In this video, I'll tackle this annoying problem that may seem daunting at first. I'll walk you through some proven fixes to get your system back to normal and ensure you can regain full access to your desktop. Let's dive into the solutions. If you're staring at a black screen, one quick step you might not have tried yet is refreshing your graphics driver. Simply press Windows plus Ctrl plus Shift plus B. This key combination sends a signal to refresh your graphics driver, which can sometimes resolve display issues instantly. You'll hear a short beep, and your screen will flicker, indicating that the graphics driver is resetting. This might bring back your desktop without needing a full restart. Let's start by bringing up the Task Manager, which will help us manage running applications and services. To do this, simply press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete on your keyboard. This command is a quick way to access several Windows security options. Once you press these keys, a screen will appear with several options. From here, you want to click on Task Manager. This action will open the Task Manager window, where you can view all currently running processes and applications. Now, to address the black screen issue, we need to run a specific service. In the Task Manager, click on File in the top menu, and then select Run New Task from the drop-down. A new window will pop up. Here, you need to type services.msc, and then make sure to check the box that says Create this task with administrative privileges. This step is crucial as it gives you the necessary permissions to manage system services. After checking the box, click OK to open the Services application. Now that we have the Services window open, let's navigate to a particular service that might be causing the black screen issue. The service we're interested in is called App Readiness. It's responsible for getting apps ready for use the first time you sign in after an update or install. Sometimes it can cause delays or issues like the black screen. To find this service, scroll through the list of services until you find App Readiness. Once you locate it, double-click on it to open its Properties window. Here, you'll see several options, but the one we're focused on is Startup Type. By default, it might be set to Automatic, but we're going to change it to Disabled. This action prevents the service from running at startup, which can help eliminate the black screen issue. After selecting Disabled from the drop-down menu for Startup Type, click Apply and then OK to save the changes. This step should help in reducing startup delays caused by this service. With the App Readiness service disabled, close the Services window and restart your computer to see if the black screen issue has been resolved. Simply go back to Task Manager, click on File, select Run New Task, type cmd.exe, check Create this task with administrative privileges, and then type shutdown/s/f to immediately restart your PC. Let's move on to another critical step using the Registry Editor. This step is especially important if you're still seeing the black screen, or if you want to make sure your system settings are correctly configured to prevent future issues. First, we'll need to open the Registry Editor with administrative privileges. To do this, go back to the Task Manager, click on File, and select Run New Task. In the dialog box that appears, type Regedit and check the box. Create this task with administrative privileges, then click OK. This action will open the Registry Editor, where we can modify system settings directly. In the Registry Editor, navigate to the following path: H-key Local Machine Software, Microsoft Windows NT Current Version, WinLogon. You can do this by expanding the folders in the left pane or by typing the path into the address bar at the top. Once you're in the WinLogon directory, look for a key called shell. This key should have its value set to explorer.exe, which is crucial because it tells your computer to load the desktop environment when you log in. If the value is not explorer.exe, double-click on Shell, enter explorer.exe in the value data field, and click OK. After ensuring the shell key is correctly set, close the registry editor and restart your computer once more to apply the changes. This should hopefully resolve any issues related to the system not loading the desktop correctly. If the previous steps haven't resolved the black screen issue, or if you want to ensure robust troubleshooting, it's time to explore some advanced recovery options that Windows provides. These methods can be particularly effective if a recent change or update has disrupted your system. Next, Safe Mode is a diagnostic mode in Windows that starts your PC with a minimal set of drivers and services. It can be a critical tool for troubleshooting issues that normal mode can't resolve. To enter Safe Mode, hold down the power button to turn off your PC completely. Turn on your PC, and as soon as anything appears on the screen, hold the power button again until the PC shuts down. Repeat this process twice. On the third restart, your PC should enter the Windows recovery environment, WinRE. Here, navigate to Troubleshoot. Advanced Options. Startup Settings and then click Restart. After your PC restarts, you'll see a list of options. Press F4 to start your PC in Safe Mode. Once in Safe Mode, you can uninstall recent programs or updates that might be causing the black screen issue. Navigate to Settings greater than Apps and sort by install date to find and remove the most recent installations. Now, I will share some additional effective solutions with you. If the previous methods haven't resolved your issue, these steps might help you get back on track. Start by pressing Ctrl+Alt+Delete on your keyboard. This will bring up the options screen. Go to the power icon in the bottom right corner and click on it. Now, hold down the left Shift key and click on Restart. Your computer will restart, and you'll see the Windows recovery screen. From here, click on Troubleshoot, then navigate to Advanced Options and select Uninstall Updates. You will see two options: uninstall the latest feature update or uninstall the latest quality update. Choose to uninstall the latest quality update. You'll be informed that this won't affect your files or apps. Click on Uninstall Quality Update and wait for the process to complete. Once finished, click Done and then Continue to boot into Windows. Your computer should now start up normally. To prevent this issue from recurring, consider going to Windows Update and pausing updates for a while. If the first method didn't resolve the problem, here are additional steps to try. Boot into the recovery environment again and select the command prompt option. Type sfc/scan now and press Enter. Wait for it to finish and then close the command prompt. Next, select System Restore. Choose a restore point and click Finish to initiate the restoration process. After it completes, click Continue to boot back into Windows. If none of these methods work, the last resort would be to reset your PC. That's it for the video. I hope these steps helped you resolve the black screen issue on your Windows PC. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful tech tips. If you have any questions or additional solutions that worked for you, feel free to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.